Good morning, friends. Had to wait a few minutes to do my video for today. Slept well at Derrick shelter. Very thankful for the big tarps that the Smokies is putting on the shelters to help us keep warm. Was warm and toasty all night. Slept really good. Had some crazy dreams. Not sure if I'm headed to Mount Collins Shelter or Newfound Gap today. Newfound Gap is an awfully long trek. So not getting a lot of cell service today to make a plan. But I'm off, and my fingers were numb when I got the water this morning. So I'm just kind of spinning around so you can see the view. The view is so lovely with no leaves on the trees, but it's colder for sure. Have a good one. On this day, I don't have very many photos because I did a pretty short hike up to Double Springs Shelter. I was really hitting a wall. I was really tired and just needed to slow it down a little bit. Good morning, everyone. Leaving Double Springs Shelter early this morning, hoping to see the sunrise as I hit Klingman's Dome here in the next half hour or so. Hearing lots of sounds around me, I guess. Deer rustling around in the woods. I'm going to go ahead and celebrate mile marker 200 with this beautiful view behind me. I just looked at far out and I'm at 199.3. Not sure if there's going to be any sort of indication that I hit 200 miles. So, woohoo! I'm at the 200-mile mark. I can't believe it. It's been a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. Definitely feeling it this morning. Soreness, fatigue, all of the above. But just really thankful for the experience and that I get to see scenes like this. Just got past Klingman's Dome, bypassed the tower, and I'm just continuing down toward Newfound Gap. Got about 6.8 miles to go. Just finished my last piece of Hudson Bay bread. Thank you so much, Kent Turnbull. You've ruined me forever now. It's going to be really hard to find good hiking food now that I've had the best hiking food. I am headed to Newfound Gap. Gonna get to meet up with Trail Boss for a little bit. Need to do some food resupply. Really challenged with food and nutrition right now. So hopefully I'm gonna make some positive changes so that I'm feeling good on the trail. You just burn so many calories, and a lot of times I feel kind of queasy and not super interested in eating, and that's no good. So I need to do better. Feel free to send any suggestions my way. Hey guys, this is Wolfman and Bachelor. Where you guys been?
Klingman's Dome.
And sliding down on the ice on this icy ass trail.
Yeah, it sure
This
is.
a slow moving trail.
Traction devices recommended. Right?
Right.
Right.
You guys
Yeah.
get yours out.
Well, north of
Yeah.
Newfound Gap, that's supposed to be pretty serious.
Yeah, I mean, I think once we hit Newfound Gap, there's so many water sources close to there too. Like, I think that we'll have some icy issues there
Yes,
as
yes,
well.
absolutely.
Okay, well, I thought y'all made a turn you didn't want to make, so I yelled at you, but I kept waiting for you to pass me again, because every time I have this rule, every time somebody passes me, I have to drink water. So
Here you go.
thank you for passing me
Have
and
a
making
drink.
me hydrate.
No problem.
Y'all have a blast.
All right.